Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Hope you're all keeping fine. Our today's video is that of a mushroom recipe. Mushrooms are low in calories and loaded with nutrients. They are rich in vitamin D, zinc, potassium and many more. So let's get to cook mushrooms in a simple and healthy way. First, take the mushrooms in a big bowl. Add enough hot water to soak them well. This helps to remove the dirt and impurities from within them. Keep to soak for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then drain and wash them clean. Then you may cut them to desired size and shapes. Also, get the other ingredients ready. Here I am taking one large onion. Chop them to thin slices. Few garlic cloves. A piece of ginger. And few green chilies. Chop them all to small pieces. Next, into a grinder jar, take few cashew nuts. Add the water necessary for grinding. And grind to a smooth paste. Once done, keep it aside. So now let's begin with the cooking. Heat a pan at medium. I'm going to add coconut oil. You may also use any oil of your choice. As the oil gets heated, add cumin seeds and allow to splutter. Then add the chopped garlic and ginger. And saute them till they turn light brown in color. Now add the sliced onion and saute them all together. Then we're going to add the green chilies. Saute them all till they are nice and soft. At this time, we are adding the spices. First, the turmeric powder. Roast it well. Add coriander powder. And also add the red chili powder. Roast them all together till the spices are well done. Next comes a special ingredient, the cashew paste. Add it to the pan. And give a good mix. Keep stirring and cook at low flame. Once done, we're going to add the main ingredient, the mushrooms. Coat them nice and well with the spices. Then cover with the lid and keep to cook. Cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Though we have not added any water, you can see a lot of water released by the mushrooms. so we continue cooking till the gravy becomes thick. Now add salt as per taste and give a good mix. Also, I'm going to add few cashew nuts. This gives an amazing crunch and taste. Now, to enhance the flavor, I'm adding some chili flakes, but this is optional. Here you can see the gravy has become thick and we are almost towards the end of cooking. Lastly, garnish with some freshly chopped coriander leaves. The mushrooms are cooked well and ready to serve. Off the flame. Take it to a serving dish. It's a good combo with rice, flatbreads, or any other meal of your choice. Serve hot and enjoy. Do try and send us your feedbacks. Thank you for being with us and hope to see you in our next video.